Save our planet. The waste, pollution, disease, and other risks of animal farming. Recent bird flu outbreaks across Asian poultry farms and increasing government concern over the massive fecal discharges from livestock factory farms reveal just some of the problems inherent in factory farming. In the case of pig farming alone, researchers have found that these animals on average produce at least 3 times as much fecal matter as humans, with harmful pathogens that are at least 10 times more concentrated.
Canadian investigative environmental journalist Ms. Denise Proulx, author of the book Pig Farms, describes several crises of these factory farming operations, among which is the widespread practice of spraying millions of litres of untreated waste into the air after being stored sometimes for years in toxic liquid holding lagoons.
Toujours dans une logique de rentabilité, on a laissé diminuer les espaces entre les cours d'eau et les champs pour les épandages. Donc, il y a un lessivage qui se fait, c'est excessivement important. Écoutez, il y a 8 millions de porcs en élevage, en rotation, à travers 3 à 4 périodes de rotation par année. Alors, une chose est certaine, on sait qu'actuellement, il y a trop de lisiers pour la capacité d'absorption des territoires. Alors, si vous en avez trop de lisiers pour la quantité de terre disponible, bien vous reprenez un épandage là où il y en a déjà eu. Donc, inévitablement, à un moment donné, il y a saturation, il y a écoulement à travers le sol, etc. C'est inévitable.
As the problem of pollution, odor, and overconsumption of clean water becomes more and more critical in pig farms everywhere, different attempts are being made to prevent the dangerous environmental and health impacts. The Formosan or Taiwanese government, for instance, is planning to provide financial incentives to pig farms to modify their facilities and even train the pigs to use a designated toilet, hoping to reduce the amount of water used and liquid feces generated. Although the highly intelligent pigs would learn quickly, the method is forecast to save at most only half of the 180 million liters of clean water used daily in Formosa just to clean pig pens.
In Canada, a decade-long experiment costing multi-millions of dollars has produced genetically modified or GM pigs whose fecal matter is said to contain reduced levels of the toxic contaminant phosphorus. Although it may seem less polluting than a normal pig, the so-called EnviroPig, which contains DNA from mice and E. coli bacteria, is not yet approved for the market, in part due to the unknown health risks of genetically modified products.
With appreciation to Ms. Proulx and all others working to raise awareness by sharing this vital information, we pray that the health threats generated by the meat industry will cease through the wise and conscientious choices of consumers. May we protect both our vitality and environment for good by turning to safe, organic, vegan lifestyles.
During an October 2009 video conference in Hong Kong, Supreme Master Ching Hai addressed the hazards of manipulating nature through methods such as genetic modification while discussing a better alternative for food production.
I think we should not mess with the nature law of karma, because every action brings an equal reaction. This means that if we bring no harm to other beings, in this case being vegan, then no harm will come to us. But if we kill, we will be killed. There is a very direct connection between meat consumption and swine flu as well, and most other human disease. But the thing is, nowadays, many people try to do this so-called genetically modified food. Huh? And does it affect us?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. Because if we mess it up, we will probably inherit more than we bargained for. There might be more incurable disease that come from GMO that we don't even know will happen yet. So it's better to have organic vegan farming method. And to feed the planet, vegan is also the answer, because our food supply goes so much farther if it's distributed directly to people instead of going through animals first.